Welcome to the best resource online for learning JavaScript. This course is focused on turning you from a JavaScript beginner into a JavaScript master.
You'll learn directly from two veterans of industry, Colt Steele, me, and Stephen Greider. Between the two of us, we've been working with and teaching JavaScript for over 20 years. We're going to share all the knowledge we've gained in that time with you.
The number one goal of this course is to make sure that you are not wasting any more time copy-pasting code into your code editor. We are going to explore every bit of syntax, step by step, to make sure that you understand exactly what we're building. We built this course to make sure that you don't have to spend any more time on confusing, out-of-date, or incomplete tutorials again.
The design of this course is pretty unique. We've built it in two distinct parts. First, I'm going to teach you about the basics of JavaScript, giving you lots of short lectures on every topic you need to understand. Second, Stephen will walk you through a bunch of practical JavaScript projects to use all those new skills. You'll deploy these projects and eventually have a beautiful portfolio that you can use to get a job interview or share with your friends.
The entire course is hosted on udemy.com with easy-to-follow videos, many practical exercises, and fun projects. Sign up today and be the cutting-edge engineer who gets to teach others the latest in web technology.